All right, guys, so big M5 update, but hey, Nick, where you at? Oh, dang, did we already get a motor in this thing? Hey, Nick, what's going on, man? I thought you were working on, what are you doing in there?
I'm just having fun.
Hello and good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. We've got some views over here, my F80 M3, and then on this side, we've got Sam's Toyota Supra looking oh so mean, but we've got some updates today to share with you guys. We've got the F10 M5 motor out of the car, of course, and we're getting ready to pal that up. Of course, you saw that spaghetti rat's nest on top of it, so we've got to strip that down. So let's go ahead and head into the shop and take a look at what the guys are doing.
All right, let's go check out on Nick.
Let's go check it on Nick. See what's going on with the F10 M5 motor. I think he's made some good progress getting ready for shipment.
See what's...
Nick, where you at? Are you back here?
What's going on, buddy?
Hey.
What do we got going on? What are you doing?
Basically just pulled off the transmission and I'm getting it prepped. Put it on the engine stand.
We got the DCT trans over here. We got to upgrade the clutch packs in.
Got the plate on.
Looks like you got the subframe off.
Get this thing stripped and sent out.
Yeah, looking forward to stripping down this wiring harness. What are your thoughts on that?
I mean, it could be worse, you know.
How could it be any worse, dude? Look at this thing.
You ever seen a Audi, like, what's the Audi V8 motor do? That's worse.
You think so?
It'll be worse. It could be worse.
Yeah, it's gonna be complicated, but you know what you're doing.
Yep, we're gonna get it done.
Hell yeah.
What are you doing?
I'm doing N55 things over here. We're just replacing this eccentric shaft motor. And then simultaneously, I disassembled this entire S63 myself with no help from Nick. So, thanks, dude. You can see it in the time lapse. I'm actually wearing a wig, so it looks like Nick.
Nick, you gonna let him do you like that?
I mean, you can, the proof's in the time lapse.
I think he was wearing a Nick suit,
I
though.
was wearing a Nick suit, yeah.
Oh yeah, I was just sitting in the front the whole time doing nothing.
Well, as you can see here, as you can see through the time lapse, we've got a naked S63 motor. Nick has been spending a bunch of hours on this, getting it stripped down, all the parts laid out nicely. So for when it comes to reassembly time, this is gonna go back together, no problem.
I was gonna say, I think the most fun thing is gonna be the 90 days it's gonna take to get this thing built and then remembering where everything goes.
Oh, see, I have photographic memory and it's all just like, you know, I just put it right back.
How?
It's just nuts and bolts. Just it's good to go.
Can we just fast forward to the part where he puts it back together and it's in the car and it's making 1,000 horsepower so we don't have to do any of the work?
Dude, I wish
Just
it was
fast forward,
that easy.
play it forward.
That'd be awesome. Basically, just took this apart very methodically and organized. Obviously, this motor's very sophisticated and we gotta go be very methodical about taking it apart.
Very methodical.
Yeah, but wasn't too bad. Enjoyed it, it's fun. Always fun.
Always a good time when you're doing S63 things. So,
Go having fun.
hey, be quiet over there.
I hate fun. Nobody you laughing or smiling and having a good time. None of that.
Well, S63 things going down. We got the pile of spaghetti off the motor, so we're all cleaned up. getting ready. We just talked to Chris over from Carbahn, and he's ready to receive this motor. So we're looking super forward to getting this out of here. Like we said, it's gonna take 90 days. 90 days, Nick. Are you ready for that?
I'm born.
Your photographic memory, you're gonna be able to dig that out of your brain?
Nick couldn't remember what he ate for breakfast this morning.
What'd you eat for breakfast?
I had a protein shake and a honey bun.
But
Besides the Pythagorean theorem?
No, I'm a mechanic. I'm not.
what is it?
It's x equal negative b plus minus radical 2 squared over 4ac. Fuck, I forgot it.
What an idiot!
It's been so useful my whole life. I'm glad I was taught that in high school.
Right on, Nick. Well, great job with this.
Let's make some power.
Let's make some power! Alright, so we've got Nick torquing down the wheels. This is one of the last times that we're going to be turning a wrench on the F10 M5. Getting everything packaged up here. As you can see, you guys already know the motor's been stripped down, completely naked. We've got everything out here on the workbench, all labeled, and we've got our totes ready to box everything up so we can make sure that everything is nice and organized and ready for reassembly when the motor comes back. So we do have the fuel pump to take out, but for the time being, this thing is going to be living out there.
Hi, how's it going? Okay, can I do one epic burrito? Can I also do one Dr. Pepper?
What size?
Let me do a large, but
Dr. Pepper, okay?
but can you make that bold?
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this.
Wait, can you repeat that?
Can you make the Dr. Pepper bold, please?
Somebody come and look at this.
Do that. That's only for burritos or tacos.
You don't do it where you put the fries and the sauce in it?
Somebody come and look at this.
For your drink?
Yes.
No, we can't do that.
What kind of world do we live in where you can't get a Dr. Pepper and make it bold? This is some bull.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.